The hidden evidence. The air in the courtroom felt heavy that day. The windows were closed. The light was dim, cold. It felt as if justice was not being sought here, as if the decision had already been made. In the defendant's seat sat Ethan Brooks, 34 years old. For the past 3 months, he had repeated only one thing: "I didn't do it." But those words meant nothing in this room. The charge was serious: premeditated murder. The victim was his former business partner, entrepreneur Robert Klein. The shooting happened at night, in a parking lot. One shot, to the heart. The prosecutor spoke with confidence. He lifted the documents and scanned the courtroom. There was a financial dispute between the defendant and the victim. There is a witness. The weapon was found. Everything is clear. There was not a second of doubt in his voice. The defense attorney listened in silence. But something inside him would not settle. The case was too smooth, too clean, too convenient. Real cases are never like this. The witness took the stand. He said he had been in the parking lot that night. "I saw the shot fired. It was Ethan." The defense asked, "How far away were you?" "Was it dark?" The witness hesitated. "I don't remember exactly." The prosecutor immediately intervened. "The witness's testimony is sufficient." The judge nodded. There was only one problem. There had been a security camera at the scene, but the prosecution stated, "The video was damaged. It is unusable." The defense attorney grew suspicious. He asked again and again, "When was the camera checked?" "Who checked it?" The answer was short. "It's in the report." The day of the verdict approached. The courtroom was full. Ethan's mother sat holding his hand. Her hands were cold. That night, the defense attorney received a message from an unknown number. Just one sentence: "The video exists. It shows the truth." The next day in court, the attorney stood up. His voice was different now. "Your Honor, the prosecution has concealed evidence." A murmur spread through the courtroom. The prosecutor jumped to his feet. "That's slander. We disclosed all evidence." The attorney raised a flash drive. "This video was taken from the prosecution's archive." The judge fell silent. "Play it." The screen lit up. A dark parking lot. Robert is standing. Then a third person appears. The face is unclear. But it is not Ethan. The figure approaches and fires. Ethan stands far away. His hands are empty. The courtroom stopped breathing. The prosecutor's face turned pale. This is edited," he said. But without looking up, the judge asked quietly, "Why was this video not presented at the beginning of the case?" The prosecutor said nothing. That silence was louder than any answer. An investigation followed. It was revealed. The prosecutor had obtained the video. He had seen it. But he deliberately withheld it to keep the case clean, because the real killer was someone he knew. The court's decision was announced. Ethan was innocent. The prosecutor was removed from office. The case was reopened. Ethan walked free. But as he left the courtroom, he looked back once. Justice was not standing there. Only a truth that came too late. Sometimes in court, the guilty are not the ones seated. Sometimes they sit behind the table.